makers, it's Charlotte, and today I'm here with Matt, our in-house skin and hair care expert, and we're here to talk to you about formulating 101. We want to help you understand the basics of how to formulate some different skin and hair care products. So let's start with something simple. Matt, let's say I've never made skin or hair care products before. I'm brand new to this. I want to formulate something myself, but I don't know where to start. What is your advice on how I get started?
So first thing I would tell a beginning maker is to keep it simple. I know it can be really intimidating when you go to look at a list of ingredients and there's hundreds, even thousands of options available, especially in the skincare industry. So I would say just boil that down, keep it really simple. Think about 1 to 3 ingredients that you really want to put the focus on in this product, and then work out from there. If it's an oil that you're wanting to build around, then you'd want to make some kind of cream or lotion that best plays with the texture of that oil, or helps to best deliver the benefits that you're seeking from that ingredient.
Got it, you guys. So start simple, focus in on 1 to 3 ingredients that you want to use, and build around them. Well, first you need to know what kind of product do I want to make. So let's start with some examples to help you guys understand a little bit more about formulating and how to get the desired finished product. So let's say I want to make a day cream. What ingredients go into a day cream?
Okay, so a day cream has 3 general components. You have your water phase, you have an oil phase, which is made up of your vegetable oils, your butters, and your emulsifier. And then you'd also want to add in actives at the end once that emulsification is done. So if you're wanting to make a day cream, I would suggest you have more water than generally would be in a thicker cream, and you stick more towards vegetable oils that are fluid, like the one pictured here. That's gonna give you more of a fluid, dry, satiny touch on your finish, and it's gonna be great for application in the day. It's not gonna feel heavy or greasy during wear.
Got it. So to recap for you guys, if you're making a lighter cream, like a day cream, it's gonna be made up of oils, butters, water, and your actives.
Correct.
Yep, okay. And then if you wanna make a heavier cream, like let's say a night cream, you're gonna lend more towards butters and thicker oils versus lighter, more viscous oils like the one shown at the front. So that is a little bit to help you guys in understanding how to make creams, but let's say I wanna make a cleanser, totally different product, right? I'm looking to cleanse instead of moisturize, different finished products, different desired benefits from each. What goes into a cleanser?
A cleanser has also 3 separate components. Could have 4 depending if you want to have an oil containing cleanser, but generally you'll have water, you'll have your thickener, and in this case, if you're not using oils, you will go ahead and use natural gums, which are offered on the site. It's something like a xanthan gum or acacia gum. Usually provides a nice gel-like texture while also remaining natural and sensitive and safe for skin.
Now, what makes it suds?
You have surfactants in there, which I know is kind of, gets a bad rap as a term.
Yeah.
But surfactants are merely just soaps. They're what actually provide the cleansing, and they lift the dirt and excess oils off of your skin. And when thinking about that, I would tend to focus on the type of skin you're formulating for. If you have more sensitive skin that's prone to being dry, I would tend to veer towards gentler, more plant-derived ingredients of this class. Something like a soap nut extract would be great. It's actually less drying than traditional surfactants while providing the same amount of cleansing.
So Matt just quietly pointed out something great, which is to focus on exactly what result you're looking for also. Are you looking for something, let's say in a cleanser, that's more moisturizing? Are you looking for something that really cleanses? And that also can help us understand how to formulate and how to choose which ingredients go into our formula as well.
For anyone looking for inspiration or just general guidelines about the structure of a formula, I would suggest you go to our website and check out the projects page. You'll find a lot of really neat and innovative projects there, and we're always trying to keep those refreshed and up to date.
And if you guys are tactical learners, the projects, it's the perfect place for you. The projects include full instructions on how to make each product, plus you can easily purchase the ingredients to make it and have a clear picture of how much of each ingredient to use. So I hope that this helped you guys understand the basics of how to formulate different types of products. And Matt, with your final advice, can you just recap for us, what is the way that we start formulating?
Just to recap, I would say keep it simple. Once again, just focus on 1 to 3 ingredients or touch points you want to focus on in your formula, and really start to build out from there. Don't let the other ingredients cloud your mind or judgment.
There you go, guys. For more tips and tricks on how to keep formulating, follow along our YouTube channel, and Matt and I will be sharing more examples of how to formulate different skin and hair care products. Thanks for watching.